You know right, assassini, airport and Timaya, Mojana Nanum Shegu Edigu on my eye.
Asem ni mo ayeshi ebeko ende ye Wednesday emse ende Kennedy Japan ni show no obesanso abaso emse the seat show no Wednesday na I think Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. I stand to be corrected, but I think so. In that Kennedy Japan we can easily predict that he has a lot of people to deal with. One, Kweku Baako, because Endra Memamoti has said Kweku Baako aba bonten. And also Ababe Kiken be atre Kennedy Japan because Osha na Kweku Baako wo yobia ase na ensembi a Kennedy Japan kano wojai emaneko. Endra wo bekeka nsem atemdidie wo trese sisiano oni Kennedy Japan ekopie wo court de siye no de beba bonten na Ghana fo anga se hu ne se Kennedy Japan wo yobia ano keke na wo kasa odukota wuntumi nyashi sebe senia wo be dwen kra no na ye problem Kweku Baako nsemo Endra wo kan no na Captain Smart nso yensa aka audio bi a Captain Smart nso wakeke bi atre Kennedy Japan wose Kennedy Japan so ya no kasa by heart no afei wo no Captain Smart no woni Kennedy Japan be dili atre se enye dili nketwa etiefo enye easy na nini mu no expect reply from Kennedy Japan and obeba be reply but Mr. Monson ebe to aso no and your first time or subscribe na click the notification bell on so we understand latest news be about one sa ebe can we have a new YouTube channel link no our comment box no mo click it na subscribe it now it's quite interesting because unim say akwa say embra na yen na ye kasa say oh ensembia anasenia Kennedy Japan waka ensembi efa nkrofo bi ho no ebia enye saa na wo say ekono ebia enye sei omo ano omu defend Kennedy Japan no me wanwa say ende de ye de ka wo mu no wo mu ehu ne say wo mu ne Kennedy Japan ebeden ebedi. And the first people I can talk about the multimedia Ghana Limited. And that mene okasai, I can assure you, senya Kennedy Japan wakasa fa multimedia wo mu own ane ho kwesi chum. Waka say wo or the drugs money in the see multimedia. Me nya sure say Kennedy Japan be sanso akotena multimedia so. Ba wakotena so a well no anasem. Nsemo a wakeka afa nkrofo ho. First na Captain Smart you be a woji Kennedy Japan dipa. Muni ambo kai Tracy Boachin nsemo e ba Captain Smart audio no mebo atremo mamu nsuru. Muni ambo kai Tracy Boachin nsemo a e ba Captain Smart ba bonten bra na Kennedy Japan beka se ani Tracy Boachin video ene woni mahama wo se dien na trese oni trese nsembebre na Tracy Boachin ye reno ne sex tape ene den Captain Smart ba bonten ebe defend ye se na kre Kennedy Japan was a video no Captain Smart kra we hu Tracy Boachin ba bonten be there ye se usu wo video na release video no na nhwe up till and video no we nyen release. And that time it was at the heat of the moment because it was prior to 2020 elections. Inti no the yebe ya opponent no yebe twe na abofom bia na wo se ye di gumahama hu fin e wo krom ha. Some people even strongly believe say no Cresse Mahama said be woni Tracy Boachin e was sex tape. Enen sensem bebre. And that year Captain Smart say when ya Kennedy Japan ho time. Oni Kennedy Japan be ye because Kennedy Japan akwa threaten journalist. Ye nya ye wo o my we mo embra na ameswale wu ye sa time na Captain Smart wo multimedia. Embra na Kennedy Japan ko kansem ametswale wu ye no na Captain Smart wo multimedia sa time na assemble e na wo mo kan wo ho. And that year ube hu ne say oh say Kennedy Japan akwa kasafa we ho. Anyway yen kongo tinsema Captain Smart o di tuja.
Na ye ria na nipa tete other radio stations na mu put up defense and nyansa nim. Also defend ya no kwa no abesi wachi say sometime. Adano ba ku bi betra TV3. O kasasa abaya ne bisa ne say. So tell me the way forward. Or say onu mo bisa lady say what do you think is the way forward? wa bre de woni timi na wa kan person defend ade na emfa hey but we are no Canada Japan radio station ni TV station no the journalist atam ena yankum we ena yambu we minimidioku ameswale yankobo multimedia about the first Erastus asare donko yankonkobo ni yankunu mesi me town so bian kan kire wa aya na to station so now kasa bahat obian kan kire wa I will respond to you I have gotten the time let me mark time. Watch out for tomorrow. Somebody should tell that man. Somebody should tell that man. That affair grono ashase.
Captain Smart.
Welcome back. We are better. Who you host to? We send you host to country ya. Nipa struggle to find food to eat. Who cry me bold? Didn't cry me wasting me energy. But I Canada, Japan, I was always quiet. Because you were fighting for the ordinary Ghanaian. Me obia or fighting for my way, no. No matter what you do. Want to mean yet a yankopon and so I fighting whatever. Enti what can be I am my heading? What can be I am my heading? Because me himself what nasia. What can my Ghana near commandant? Ghana near succumbed no back end. I feel we transuo na wie. Wo ho afọ mebra wo iron ma wo de ato atade na afọ no. We transuo na wie watade na nya afọ. Onua mebra wo iron ma wo de ato sa atade na ya afọ no. Onua ma chi o. Na man na yetim no. Ghana fo mpe no kore. Ba me meka kire wo hia me a wo pa tame. Wo hia me a wo pa pemasem. IGP wuti kroyim ena Canada Japan si onim nipa okuma Ahmed Swale akosi say hey akwa say oya MP enti o enjoy privileges we wa Speaker of Parliament say MP some privileges no endru marketplace ho o say yankwa boy Erastus asare donko na yankuno Yambono na yankuno enipa ye ka adwira asama ye kum kaka aboni pa mienu tuo yensan kwabo journalist yankuno enye hwe GJ tina me say me nya member da eye bola na GJ etikrom ha efia poku ya tama wa Adom FM National Health Insurance for story bi ewo nima ye chiabaya ishe gwatem ne ye bono that time na my bank na me ndi boso me miensa I had to drive all the way from multimedia Kontiba Adami Konho just to go and save Efia Pokuya. Efia nyamin kan ho baby awo bia says you awon owo says you awon oh despite group wo Efia nyamin kan ho Vim lady ene yesi yambu asare donko de yankunu na mu wi na obi abeka chen say the government is doing everything possible to protect journalists. If you think you are protecting journalists, talk to your MP Canada Japan. If you think government is still abaye so who say who protect it and central for talk to Canada Japan. That man is becoming too much in this country. Obians no me I am just quiet because he was fighting for the ordinary. That is why I was quiet. Because damn for and damn for. It is me protecting the public person. I don't have to attack the next person who is also protecting the public person. So I was always quiet. But Ken, me see what your fins wona wie ohun me bre wo iron box iron jebidie wom ma o de ato atade no so ma na wo na wa hye
entietiefo asem no ena eda ho no wo se Canada Japan etwa se offenso se dien ewie de eda ho no asem wa me meka ne se asem de sa nete but it is good say indeed some people are now seeing what some of us were seeing. Na ye nyina nso yaka ho. Embra Kennedy Japan sha ase se wo ye nyama bi sei. Na nka eho na ye holding no accountable. Wo be kan sem fa nkrofo ho ne aka dan say if approve bra. No the proper proof abananka ya somu a. Na nka tiefo enye enu ni. Ende ukoka Kennedy Japan ho asem a nkrofo enhu ne se asem a wo ka no nyansasem mum anase nyansasem enim ye beba bedi watem. Na nsen Kennedy Japan sem a wo ye ya mebekekan hwese ne nkrofo di matem. Na so sa nkrofo we na ya na meka Kennedy Japan ensempa ana mebo na baso e wo nyama wokoya e ya na wo mba mbebo ma baso e ya na wo mon comment kra. Nanso ye Kennedy Japan ko ye bibia yesusu se ade na Kennedy Japan wa ye enye pe na yesi melody say ni ye di matem yetumi di masefo ni na atem. Why? Because Kennedy Japan akwa kan bibia enye. Meanwhile Kennedy Japan yin so asemo aye ken he also comments on other people. Wono dia waka fa nkrofo ho dia it is okay. Mama wati asese on my Ghana ye team no we hold people on different level of standards. And it is true. If you know how this country is, ubeti asese the melody seeking ayane trodo, we hold people on different standards. Asumesi kwa ya adia, senya ye bebo asumesi echi no, so wa benten akoye the same thing. The same thing asumesi kwa ye no. Ubonse na afe o ye de yensashe ye demri film. Eno na ma ende Ghana yeti baby ayeti. Because emre bi bae nsembia na esisi wo Ghana. There was a particular president. Na sa time no assembly ebesi bia na ye ni na sorry sa president na eka nenim say hey inkuonkuo obi abe sorry tia president na ka nenim say the AC enye. Today we are seeing worse things, but omo ana omo kasa no you see they have toothache. Obi asemo a wakan no. And that is the reality of this country. It is true. That is the reality. Na nsenya sa akode obe posti picture. Say one or picture obe posti picture na bia cigar ehye no or num cigar. And dra me ko hwe ya you see civil society organizations. Oma ba bonten bebo sa akode echi say de sa akode ye no enye na wo ye role model de oye no enkola besua no. And I say hey ye to my way mu. And this is just an example I'm giving you. To your mind we mu ye ni musicians wo mutumi ba live ebe hye eye nyama ye na ye hu me mpese mebodi ba munina munim. Musicians are trust wo mo de clearly wo mo hye wo live ekita wo de nam ye na ye hu. Civil society organizations mbie wo mo ano nka bibia trust am musicians ne da said de mo ye sa akode nko akoye bi. So we hold people on different types of standards. So we be ya there. Now we be kwa ye the same thing. Ye be come back de, ye come back de. On my Ghana sani yeti. Ye my way sani yeti. And that is what has happened right now. Mama wati ya se me melody samiti hei. Se obi MPB wo baby. Na me ba bontin me kan sem efa MP ne ho a. Yes, there are some people who without even seeing me my proof they will believe me because ebi mo be hu ne say melodies were credible. But in Crawford dodo na ebeka se melodies asem we de e wo say would the proof eba ansa na ye be believe. It is indeed true. But obi to say Kennedy Japan wokoye bibi sa even without proof majority of them will believe. Why? Because it is coming from Kennedy Japan. Na me tie abrantie bi ewo Radio Gold na branch ne kan nyansa sempa na me tie no because na Radio Gold for can say a branch no won kasa about Kennedy Japan and a branch ne ka say ono de won hu asem a won ka about Kennedy Japan asem ba mbiom e na won ka about Kennedy Japan o se wono wokoka Kennedy Japan asem sisi a Kennedy Japan nim no wo bebia o nim no from Adam o nim no from Eve. Na so kokan Kennedy Japan asem sisi a Kennedy Japan be ba betina radio so aka se onim sa branche yi na sa branche yi ene a woje bribe or ye corrupt or they say without showing any proof, without showing any evidence, but you get people believing Kennedy Japan. Nkrofo beka se wono sa branche no wo ye evil. Mama Watia said, and you see, I keep on reminding you guys. Why? Because I say, yatina ho, ama we use that particular style, no, and you see, sometimes I don't. Sometimes the blame the can no Kennedy Japan nankasano. I will not give him the blame fully. Sometimes people around him and yes sir. As a one more trust you more with information or more the buyer no so they are bad to ya. And there are countless occasions. Ebiana will tell me for the very first time. I will remind you, Kennedy Japan betina Mokai Embra Auditor General be release list of politicians just say Ghana Osha scholarship. Scholarship ni yedema the needy. Politicians are womuoska, womangasa kwa jiji sa scholarships. Sa time na Auditor General be release sa list no. Kennedy Japan ko hu list no na wo hu obi din and pa ko ne send name e de ablakwa. Ehwa na Kennedy Japan di be see TV so. Se ane sa ablakwa we ye okujato ablakwa ne yere. Na so ye komu no se nipa kro no onye okujato ablakwa yere. The person was not even related to okujato ablakwa. Just that the surname was the same. Now so Kennedy Japan the Tina TV so egu okujato ablakwa hu fin. Say eye na yere and awode eye scholarship ne man no. Why? Because he wanted to equalize. At time no ne abo Matthew Poku Prempe ne abo ono Kennedy Japan ne baby mama friends say Adwo Asafudin say wo ma akwaje friends say scholarship ne bi MP sa wo ma akwaje scholarship. Enti equalization no person say NDC for kra no wo mo so the scholarship no emma wo omoyere no enobobo okujato ablakwa din. But that person was not related to okujato ablakwa. Na so ye bonedin edigu okujato ablakwa ho fin e wo man we mu. Anso hwa wono ankasa Nana B wo ye National Youth Organizer for MPP. And semba na Kennedy Japan ko kan e wo radio so se TV so se ane Nana bi mu nya ye galamsey mo kai up to lende NDC 4 wo mo bo galamsey 4 edin a wo mo bo Nana bi. Why? Because Kennedy Japan nankasa na ba bonten be kan ye see and say Nana bi nankasa na tu anamon e no ko Kennedy Japan fie e na wo kwa trend proof etrese wo no Nana bi wonye galamsey afe du ye no na Kennedy Japan asem ne se nipa kra wo the information ne break Kennedy Japan no onu no twa ne ntro. It is our time na ye be kan na bi de ne trend no nanka wo ye friends and checks and background checks etiefo nanka wo ye background checks se nanka obehu ne se eye ntro ne ye twa to na bi so enya na bi ne tu ne nan ekọ Kennedy Japan ho ekọ trend se ni ansa na Kennedy Japan hu ne se se ye twa me ntro na me nso ma ba be kan wo radio so imagine Nana Bimpo there he was lucky he had the access to Kennedy Japan. So imagine enkrofo awako mu asem a wo mu ni access to him. Probably obi etan obi me Melody Samiti hei obi wo ho a what time inti evanze Kennedy Japan eba be kama asem a no obi time a obetumi akwa me ho ntwa track Kennedy Japan. So Melody screen no masa woni embadeda woni yesei wo oye corruption o yesei wo jiska o ye na se me credit atome so da se mahametua me ye da atome last MPP man na wo babeka se obeba be blast me studio no so the bomb ebeba be to me studio o ka dem se makwa jiska o mahama ho na enyo no pe even NDC 4 kra ebi mu kra ma mesa allegations ne kra da say and then I'm saying there and the jama MPP 4 no acheme no mu etua me na me tie house me wo so meti but nini na ye nsem we wo ho itu obi wo ho a wo mpa me Melody Sasemiti Kennedy Japan nya be ka ma asem na ye de me information be kwa koma no ono so say ye de ba ye na won so ne so because oni me nya ntokwa inti ye de asem na ba na ye ntra. And you see, I want people to be analytical. Please be analytical. Look at the people Kennedy Japan oni omoko won say one thing na wo de to omo ni na so omo Kennedy Japan ni omoko ni na asem ba ko na de to omo ni na so. So ask yourself, say how come say nkrofo bebre we a oni omo akon this same problem na run it through all. If you are really analytical, you know to say that be in same way papa you working and yes if you are really analytical, ubehu say but na ka ye ebia ensem foforo yemfa ne say journalist e wo man we mu ni na e asem ba ko na kan Japan de ato omo so say wo mo ye corrupt and the corruption from Kweku Baako to Anas to Manasseh Azori to Erastus Donko to who journalists be na Kennedy Japan aka ne ho asem wo man we mu a one fa corruption into ne so that is the only thing I want to omo ni na so Captain Smart to who when you wunya asem na oka ho asem a dade ba akopɛ o ye journalist ade ba akopɛ e no ka fa ho se wo ye corrupt se wo ye osofo no ne wunya asem a ade ba akopɛ e no de to so wakwa kokun nipa na wo di bia ka ho e bia wo ne asori mba no eda bisa me se meboa enti akwa ye se eye framework eda ho akwa ni framework ana timestamp bi ana site map eda ho nti woni wonya asem na ohwe na se wo ye osofo wo ye journalist wo ye we a na yakọ timeline ne so na akwa se wo ye journalist dia na tre se ye the corruption na ebo wo ye osofo dia ye the nipa kum na ebo ye wo man we mu na Kennedy Japan ni sit show ne so no ye kwafafa nkrofo be kansem efa wo bi nim ho and you will be in Mekunway, or be in Mayway, or Buffy, I say, and the way I say, and that sound Crawford now, one back a can sound, and Emre, time, Emre, it will expose by you see, Ghana say, and Casanayana, yen time follow Yama. And that a branch ya, your friend, Manasseh world changer. Wow, walking can sem. Eto asofo nkese so e wo Kennedy Japan show so wo kantam e ka se wono de Ghana ha wo sofo papa ba ko pe friend say owusu bempa ene he se ne wo mo ye omo hu fin e wo social media and that there abrante ne pese ye ti ase se an plan plot nsemu a wo mo kwa kekan ye and that the apprentice ne pese eti asese ozu bempampo de onu no ye sofo tantan e wo man we mu. It was this same man and no kwa kekan at time na Kennedy Japan was fighting against Bedu Kobi, was fighting against Obinim, was fighting against Nigel Gezi. It was these same people and no mo kwa tina o mo use ne platform egu nsofo we ni mu ase and that there won wo mo ana ye ka so mo ye nsofo papa no won se san krofo no mo ne sa nsofo papa na nya asem a epie no na to se masa eno kra nye intimesremo. All I'm saying and it's a precedence wo ho ya kan nsem aton krofo so ye de omo akwa gina court even prove ba ko ye ntumi amfamba endra Kweku Baako nsem a wo bekan nsem ni amoteye prove ba kumpo wose Kenya Japan to me improve your court na what the court in sensem we see afi de waye na adwun so de beba abonten intimesremo senya. And you see on this same platform, not even with Kenya Japan, Ghana for Ankasa Yesuban, because we like believing bad stories. Ghana for Yesuban, and I'm not taking myself out. Make crime can be because yes, means for me Ghana ni. Me betina ha say enya me ho say me ye hypocrite na me ka say ane and me de me nka ho ye ni na in our moment no yen so one or two things be answer na later ye be realize say hey asem ha ye kan fa nipa queen proof bi amba enti ye nto ye bo ase answer na sana Ghana for yete. But I just want us to conscientize ourselves. Yet na wo man we mu ye de asem ato o de Reverend Obofo Shesenia ye den sem to Reverend Obofo so. Yet ene wakwa kokun obi twese Ghana de wosofu bia wabagi din bia wakum obi ahye na asori we ase twese nini na echi ebem pense musa nkrofo ne fa prove mba na akwa akoda ne nsem bebre hwe hu ehi nsem a wobeka fa Reverend Obofo ho hu ehi nsem a wokan fa Reverend Obofo ho ene de wokoye we nini na echi ekowie yese ade ne kra no ne kra bi enim Reverend Obofo junior pastor and audio be likiye ekeka nsem eto Reverend Obofo so abrante ni wie wo ba abontia ba be pacho. You need to understand that in this country enye obi an pe wasem aside say nyobi an nepe wasem nso no people destroy people to eat. Stonebwoy ne kan sa asem no na manjine ndi until say nansensensem ebesi yensa ansami ginedi. Stonebwoy, Ghanaian musician Stonebwoy, oye my favorite. Nche ya meta hwe ne pa no no kan sa asem no. We say Ghana for yenti ase say nkrofo bi mu wo mo sei nipedin ansa na wo mo nsa enye aduane edi. Se wankwa nko sei wo bi din wo beebi a yen maniska. Nti wo hwe Reverend Obofo kra ne junior pastor a wako na agrada wako kanse ma kesesi Reverend Obofo so. Se no pe favor from na agrada pesika ma no. Nti wako say no. So there are people who go to Kennedy Japan. Why? Because one, they don't like you. Two, as a bit try to so. Now ka because on him say oh Kendi me do ne ho o ma me nko fie sapan. Into information our peno, my man information me can't channel. Wo ma me nko fie sapan. O kansem a we bia wo kwa Ken so a big guy onim WhatsApp ne bie obi ba ho a aha me melodies are sebe me kra me ni Kennedy Japan sika ana me sika ndu Kennedy Japan level ne kra obi asra me a me nanfo obi besra me na okwa at least me peka kra ma ne se o de jewe fa tonsio me kra me niska ndu Kennedy Japan me nimbie ye ndu Kennedy Japan level no me kra me yesa na imagine Kennedy Japan ne ni ebie obviously oba ne fia wo ma won konsapan into abekwa akọ me say me won obi ansan me ama obi a na ka me nim say nipa ye say nipa ma nipa sa. And I'll say this and I'll keep on saying this. Obi ba ka tra me chocho muncho. That time no na me bia me num say because now fe me kra me doubt me ho say and now someone nipa ko yi me ye na me just say senior nipa ko ne kan asem no obi fi say my ye it even me I was doubting myself say me nim say asem ne nya ne kro. But I was doubting myself, say, me you be full frank amejedi. That is why I speak passionately about say ye can crofon wansem without proof no. That is why I speak passionately about that. Because me melody said ya me pain. Obi kwa kache mi chocho muncho. Na just say other girl bia me ne WhatsApp into obi hu senya me ne girl ne te no onim se chale dia me ne girl ne ye bibi obi kwa katre mi chocho munto se wo hu me enwumre se me pie fi girl ne fie me a me melody samiti hei girl ne kra me nim ne fie o me nim ne fie etiefo bebi a me tinso tema community 2 girl ne nso tema community 4 me nim girl we fie obi kwa katre mi chocho munto se wo hu me feel say me melodies me pie figure on ni fie enwumre masa me ko yi me ho ano sen because yes me chocho muncho se hu say girl no asa wa ba da ne madam fo na me ne no ebo nkomo but enya say adwen poboni bia won baba be madam fo wo ye hu an ye ebo nkomo etumi gina ho ne ye ebo nkomo ntimi chocho muncho so aba be hu nti obi sa no wo be gie de say na say me hu ne say one girl na ebo nkomo nti ye ne kre masa me kama no yi ma no say den nyankopon na me de asem ne hye ne nsa nyankopon na me de asem ne hye ne nsa me ka den yi ma no masa u be den believe me kohwe mu nipa kra wo kan sa asem no say na ne ni girl ne ho say ne ni girl ne ho na girl ne ma na attention girl ne mfi no girl ne mfa ne ni emma no girl ne mbunu mpo ni sika na girl ni di eduane na girl na akwakoje ne wo no but girl ne mma na sa attention no ma me girl ne me ne ye free enti say ne yem officer me ne girl no wo bibiye ti we din kan akwakose me ama girl no me say that time no and I'm gidi ye say say kase nipa to me say nipa for their own selfish gains ne kre obi ani wa woji mi di ye wo bia not a single soul obi ani wa wo believe in me because people saw say na embre bi me yesa me ko baby na girl ni be share me wo baby na me ne wo corner bi mu enti me ka tre me nanfo ne say me ko baby ya fe me nanfo ne so yesa wo mo ba Omo be hia me se me ne girl no wakona no wo say hey obi a ka say wo ko baby no say girl no na baba be hye me ka me ko baby na me hia no e na me ne bo nkomu me ka me yima no sen etiefo real what I'm saying I'm on find nya asresem real inti wo mai we mu se ye be ye se de ye be kan for wo bia ho ne ye mfa prove mba na enu ne be believe a and there were my Ghana yet no yan hwe ne ye a hwensem a yeka fa ye president so hwensem a yeka fa ye president so na so dodo na obekom no entronkwa montre mo ajo comment box ni mo medase